welcome back to our YouTube channel. First of all, thank you all for watching your previous video about our first investment property. And so for today's video is part 2 of this series in flipping this house. So stay tuned and we'll greatly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. We acquired this property as is. The bushes around the house took us 2 days to finish, but around a week to finish and clean up the entire front and backyard of it. So this is definitely a huge property.
Hey babe, what are you doing?
Hey, demoing out this kitchen. Let me stop the music. I just don't want the music too loud. Why you trying to talk over?
You always have your music.
Come on, Jordan.
I'm already taking video. Ha!
That was it. Come on, we gotta do that again. You ready? Okay, come on, here we go.
Oh!
As I've said, we purchased this property as is, so everything inside the house and in the garage needed to be taken out. With that, we rented a 40-yard dumpster not only once, but 4 times to get rid of all the trash and also from all the demolition debris. Today is also day 1 for demolition. Trust me, I tried to do the muscle stuff, but I guess I should stick on my administrative tasks, right? And as per demolition, we started on the kitchen by taking down all the kitchen cabinets and appliances in this area will be fully replaced with new cabinets, plumbing, and electrical fixtures. We also took down some of the walls to open up the space from the living room, dining, and the kitchen.
Oh, watch out, watch out!
As for the floor plan, this house is only 630 square feet with only 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Now, we aren't just going to renovate and make this property up to date, but we are going to extend and add more square footage that will double the size of this house. And since we have almost an acre of land, an addition will be the best way to go. In order to also sell this house at the price point we're targeting, making it to a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home will definitely appeal to our future home buyer. In residential design, open plan or open concept describes the elimination of barriers such as walls and doors that traditionally separated distinct functional areas, such as combining the kitchen, living room, and dining room into a single great room. As you can see, we have removed the walls from the original master bedroom and the kitchen, providing an open layout with much bigger space this time. So that's it for today, guys, and please watch out for the part 3 of this series as we move forward in flipping this house. Once again, thank you all for watching. Please leave your comments for any questions or feedback. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and please click the subscribe button. Bye!